Estamos aqui dormindo no quarto de hotel e esse aqui vai ser um vídeo do Caio fumando, Caio roncando.
Later on SportsCenter, a fight for first place in 3 divisions around the majors. What Brett Clark was worse than the pack, plus no love lost between LA and Detroit. Shocking sports live. SportsCenter next.
Caio.